Imagine yourself sitting on this bench, taking in the view, maybe taking in a break from your hike or your day, perhaps digging into your backpack for your snacks or your lunch, drinking in not only water, but drinking in the view, taking a pause, noticing your breath. Perhaps you're out of breath and winded. Take a nice big inhale, smelling in the goodness that's around you, nature. As you exhale, resting in this moment with gratitude. When you are ready, begin to come back into the space that you are in, bringing awareness and gratitude as you move throughout your day. Take good care.